Now this strategy looks simple, but it's very profitable. All right, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use it. All right, how you can use it to make money from the market on daily basis. Okay, it works on all volatility indices. All right, so I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, then after that I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, we search for our moving average, right? So you click on this main window plus icon, you search for your moving average. These are the properties for the moving average. The period is 35, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to its close. The time frame is all time frame. The color for the star is blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Now this one here is the fractal. For the fractal, you just use the default setting. Right, the next indicator we have here is relative strength index. Right, you click on the main window plus icon again, you search for your relative strength index. Right, these are the property. The period is 12, apply to its close. The level is 8515, color red, 4 pixel, you click on done. Time frame is all time frame. The star, you make it the color of your background, 1 pixel, and you click on done. Now the last indicator here is the envelope. You click on the indicator in the 1 plus icon, you search for your envelopes. Right, these are the property. Period is 14, shift is 0, deviation is 0.001, method is simple, apply to its close. The level, you leave it as this. Time frame is all time frame. The style, you make the upper band 4 pixel, lower band 4 pixel, color red. Right, you click on done. So once you have set everything correctly as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this. All right, now if you can check very well, this is your envelope line here. All right, I'm using the envelope because it's very powerful. All right, it doesn't fluctuate like the moving average. All right, this one will tell you the exact area price is. Okay, if it's at the overbought level, then it's at the overbought level. It will not fluctuate or repaint like the moving average. All right, so and I will be showing you how to use it properly. All right, now let's say for example price got to the overbought level here, as you can see now. All right, now this is a sell condition. Right, now before you take your sell, you want to make sure that price breaks below the blue line here on the main chart. Right, now the candlestick needs to break below the moving average and close below it. Right, so once it closes below it, you take your buy. Right, sorry, you take your sell. Right, now your stop loss is to be above this area. All right, above the most recent structure, the most recent fractal area here. You can see this arrow. Right, your stop loss needs to be above it. All right, the most recent one, that is where you place your stop loss. Right, then you have to hold till this red line here gets to the oversold level. All right, so you bought from here, you wait for it to get to this level, then you exit the market. It's as simple as that. All right, now you need to be very sure that price has gotten to the oversold level before you take any entry. Right, now you can see here it has gotten to the oversold level. Right, now we are looking for buy now. Right, so once price closes above this area, you take your buy from this area here. Right, immediately that candlestick closes, you take your buy from here, and your stop loss is supposed to be below there. According to the rules of the strategy, it's supposed to be below this structure here, below this area here. Right, now you are holding till this red line gets to the overbought level, so you wait for price to get there and you close your entry. Right, now is at the oversold level. Right, you sell again from this area. Stop loss is going to be below the most recent, which around this area. Then you hold till it gets to this area here. All right, so immediately it gets to that area, you close. All right, but it's not every time the strategy will work. Just keep that in mind. No strategy is 100%. Okay, so now price got to the oversold level again, so you place your sell, stop loss below above this area. Right, then you hold till price gets to this area and you exit the market. It's as simple as that. That's how the strategy work, right? And it's very effective, right? It's very effective. Okay, so now let's say you place your buy around this area, stop loss below here. You are holding until this line get to the overbought level. So once it touches around here, you exit the market and you look for the next opportunity. All right, although it will not work every time, right? But most of the time, out of 5 trade, all right, out of 5 trade, you are going to win like 4 times. All right, out of 10 trade, you win like 8 times. All right, so I want you guys to practice with this. Practice very well. Make sure the strategy is working for you before you go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, make sure you practice and confirm it for yourself that the strategy is working before you go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, for the zoom level, it doesn't really matter. So far you can see the candlestick, you can see what you are doing, then you are good to go. All right, so for those of you who are just coming across my channel, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. All right, and for those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. Make sure to join and your life will never remain the same. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.